Hey guys, how's it going? So today I want to show you or share with you a mock question I had, a mock interview question I had when I was practicing for an interview. So here it says, given an input number, output the number in words. So we have input 22 and output 22, like that in words, right? So let's assume that this is a 1 to 100 and they are whole positive numbers. That's what num is, right? What else again do we need to know? So far so good. So I did an array here, 0 to 20, and then I have an array of tens, which starts from the second index, right, all the way to 10. So 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, all the way to 100, right? So this is what I'm going to do. Let's create a function called number to text, right? And then it accepts num. I did let's do function, right? So I'm going to check if num is less than 20, and if it is, output from the 0 to 20 array, right? So I'm just going to do return 0 to 20 what num is, right? So here I will say else, right? So if it's the number is greater than 20, like 21, right? It's going to enter in here. So I'm going to have numbers greater than 20, and that's going to be, I'm going to append two strings together. So I'm going to call the first one front and the other one back. I know the names may sound funny, but that's what I'll call them. So front is going to be num divided by 10. So let's say you have an example 21, right? And then you do 10. This is going to be 2.1. So I'm going to float this, just give me 2. So this tells me, okay, yes, the front, the prefix is going to be 20, right? And how do I achieve this? I'll just do math the floor this, right? And then the next thing is to find the remainder to get this one here, right? And I'll just do, oh no, Ctrl Z, back is equals to num modulus 10, right? And I'll just do this. If back is equals to 0, meaning like there is no remainder, then just pass what front is, and that will give me the answer from the tens, right? So just pass front. So if this is for example 30, right, and you divide it by 10, you just have 3 here, right? And this would be 0, and just pass 3 in here, right? So it goes down to the index 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3 give us 30, right? Then let's do else, return the tens, right? So this is going to be the prefix, this is the front, right? Front, and then it's going to do plus, give it a space, plus, then I'll say 0 to 20, the back, okay? And that should be everything. So let's test it out. Let's put this away here. Okay, so I'll just do number to text, and I'll do 22, but then this has to be console.log 22. Can try 23. Can try 10. Can try 1. Can try 100. I think I go all the way to 9. So if I do 101, it's gonna give me 101, 101, 100, 109. But let's do 55, 66. Right, so it works. So try and make this go all the way to 1,000. That'll be my next video. Thank you guys, and stay tuned.